National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, east central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 2 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Indian Head Park, or over Burr Ridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, South Shore, Midway Airport, West Town, Roseland, Austin, Burbank, Brookfield, Palos Hills, Hinsdale, and Lamont. This includes Brookfield Zoo, SeatGeek Stadium, University of Chicago, Hawthorne Park, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.